Hello, this is John and Roger. We're back on Berwyn Street, checking the progress of this house he is currently representing as a realtor. This is the house behind us here. Roger, where are we at with this construction?
Well, right now, we're finishing the facade and we're getting the drywall up. So this house will be ready in February. And this particular house is a standard lot, so it's 25 feet wide by 125 deep. And the house is going to be about 4,100 square feet on 3 floors, including the lower level.
Okay.
So it's 2 floors plus the lower level.
Great, great. And how long has it been under construction so far? Probably 6 months?
Yeah, something like that.
Something
yeah.
like that. That's
Something
not,
like that.
to put you on the spot. So
Thereabouts.
you're expecting to be done by what, spring?
Yeah, we should be done in February. In Chicago, you got to wait for city to come and bring a water tap and things like that to happen.
Yeah.
So you got to kind of get on the schedule and wait for them.
Great. Well, let's take a look at the inside.
Okay.
So we're on the interior of the house. Here in the rear we have a 2-story entrance off the backyard. The garage is coming up behind us here. Here's Roger. What do they got going on here?
Well, right now we're taping and getting the drywall work finished, and then we're in the finishing work.
So what's going to happen over here? This is the
This is the island in here. There's a big island in the middle, and then all the cabinets, the refrigerator over there,
Just-
dining area here, and then this is the family room that
So there's
we're
a-
standing in right now.
Now here we're taking a tour of the second level, where most of the bedrooms are located. And as you can see here in the design, the architect has used a really tall ceiling heights, really maximizing the vertical space of the units, in addition to adding an abundance of windows to both sides of the building, as well as the roof, which is really important on buildings of this size when the lot sizes in Chicago are only 25 feet wide. So as you continue along this tour, you'll see here in the rear bedrooms where we're maximizing the space of the ceiling with the vaulted ceiling here. Finally, we're taking a tour of the lower level of the units, 9-foot ceiling heights. Again, lots of light in the hallways and in various rooms on the lower level. And this is what a development looks like in Chicago. Now, if you're interested in investing in real estate and want to learn more how to get involved, feel free to reach out to me. You can find me on LinkedIn, or feel free to message me here on YouTube. And I'm happy to introduce you to how these real estate investment opportunities work, how to work with folks like Roger and I to develop these types of residential units as investment opportunities to augment your portfolio. Thank you.